We are going to take a minute to talk about a few things that you're seeing on your Agency Advantage sign-in screen. Over to the left is where you will put your user credentials to sign in. Also, your location. If you have multiple locations, you want to make sure that you're logged into the correct location. And then we have our cash drawer. If your agency has assigned cash drawers, you want to make sure that your cash drawer is entered correctly here. Down below, we have our training videos button. This button will take you right to our YouTube channel with all of our Agency Advantage videos in case you have any questions on how to do something. In the middle, you will see blog posts, some relating to different events going on with our company, as well as posts regarding versions that are being released within your management system. And if you'd like to see more in-depth information on these updates, you can scroll down and find the update and just single click on it, and it'll open up and give you the information as well as how to download that update. Over to the right, we have our tech support phone number to call, as well as a make a suggestion button. If there are things that you would like to see in Agency Advantage or ideas, you can go ahead and submit that to us and we will review that. If you have any questions about the sign-in screen, please let us know.